Hi, I'm Sarah Moskowitz. I'm a certified child passenger safety technician in Providence, Rhode Island, and this is the Chicco Keyfit 30. Chicco makes two Keyfit models, the Keyfit, which has a weight limit of 22 pounds, and the Keyfit 30, which has a weight limit of 30 pounds. Both models have a height limit of 30 inches, as well as the requirement for 1 inch of shelf space from the top of the child's head to the top of the seat. The Keyfit has a body insert, a body pillow, which is optional. It must be removed at 11 pounds, so you don't have to use it. It provides a better fit for small babies, but once the baby reaches 11 pounds, it definitely needs to come out. The head pillow is optional at all times. I do often recommend removing it for newborns because sometimes it will push their head forward so that they end up with their chin to the chest, which means they're not able to get in enough oxygen. And the shoulder strap covers are also optional. Some models are sewn shut, so you need to remove the harness straps carefully to remove the shoulder covers. But in newer models, I think a lot of them use velcro, so you just have to open the velcro to take them off. Again, all three things are optional, but the pillow for the body must come out at 11 pounds. This is the back of the Chicco Keyfit 30. We have 3 harness slots, and the infant head pillow is always going to be in the slot above the harness. So you can only use the pillow if you're on the bottom slot or the middle slot for harness height. In this case, it's okay, but once you have to move the straps up to the next level, you have to take the insert out for good. So once you undo the velcro, you can just pull that head pillow out. And then to remove the body pillow, you just need to pop the buckle through the slot, and it removes just like that. Hang on to them in case you ever need them again. To buckle a baby, you're going to make sure the baby is flat up against the seat and centered in the middle of the seat. Buckle the buckle tongs, and you're going to pull up on the webbing right above the buckle to remove any of the loose webbing, the slack from the sides. Buckle the chest clip and slide it down. I like to hold onto the chest clip as I pull on the adjuster button, which is right down there on the strap by the adjuster button. And you'll see the harness is tightening. To check to see if the harness is tight enough, you're going to slide down the shoulder pads, or you remove them completely if you don't need them. They are optional. And pinch at the webbing. If you can't get any webbing in your fingers, that means it's tight enough. If you're leaving the shoulder pads on, slide them back up. Slide the chest clip up to armpit level. And that's it.